Wait, you mean I can't charge my phone mid-flight in 2025? Yeah. Welcome to the new normal in air travel. Let's talk about what you can and can't bring in your luggage this year, because the last thing you want is a thermal runaway at 30,000 feet. Hey there, explorers. It's your travel best friend from Empower Your Journey, bringing you practical travel tips and news every week. Let's dive into the new travel rules in 2025 that'll save your trip, and maybe even your seatmate's eyebrows. First, the big news. After a fire inside an Airbus and airplane, several Asian airlines are banning the use of portable chargers or power banks during flights. Why? Several passengers' portable chargers caught on fire by combusting mid-flight. Airbus was one of the first Asian airlines to adopt this new rule. The new rule is you cannot use a power bank or portable charger in your phone. You cannot plug one into your phone to recharge your phone battery mid-flight. My guess is that someone used a cheap power bank, or there was a defect and they did not know it, or that it just overheated during flight. Yes, you heard that right. No mid-air power-ups. You can still pack your power bank, just don't plug it in mid-flight, or you might get a visit from a very serious-looking flight attendant. Let's talk about power banks in more detail. They are the must-have gadget that can either be your best travel buddy or a fire hazard at 30,000 feet. Power bank do's and don'ts. What is allowed? You can bring your power bank on board, but it must be in your personal item, that smaller bag that goes under the seat in front of you, not in the overhead bin, and definitely not in your checked luggage. You're allowed to charge your phone before the flight, while you're at the gate or during boarding. Get that battery to 100% while you still can. Stick with reliable, travel-tested models like the Nitecore NB 10000 Gen 3 power bank. This compact powerhouse delivers 10,000 mAh of capacity in an ultralight, durable, weather-resistant design. It's a favorite among digital nomads and backpackers for good reason. Fast charging, pass-through capability, and a high power-to-weight ratio mean you get more juice without the bulk. Plus, it runs cooler than most, making it a safer bet mid-air. What's not allowed, and for good reason. On several Asian airlines, you are not allowed to use your power bank to charge your phone during the flight. This rule came after multiple mid-air incidents involving overheated or malfunctioning power banks. You're also not allowed to store power banks in the overhead bin or in checked luggage. Lithium-ion batteries can overheat or combust under pressure, which is a no-go for both the cabin and cargo hold. Avoid unknown or cheap brands. Just because it was on sale doesn't mean it's safe. These off-brand chargers often lack proper safety circuitry and can overheat, swell, or even catch fire. Safety tip: if your power bank feels hot to the touch, starts swelling, gives off a strange smell, or, worst case, starts smoking, unplug it immediately and notify a flight attendant. They're trained to handle battery malfunctions and have special gloves and extinguishing kits on board. My tips for safe power bank use. These batteries that charge your phone are combustible. For me, I can tell that my phone overheats. My phone gets sometimes too hot to the touch. So, one tip that I do when traveling, when that happens, I just unplug my power bank from it. Second tip, don't go overboard. That giant 20,000 mAh block may seem impressive, but it's heavy, hot, and more than you need for a regular day of airplane mode. Stick with 10,000 mAh. It's lighter and friendlier. Another one, watch the temperature. Some power banks now promise not to get hotter than 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, or 38 degrees Celsius, which is roughly the temperature of an overeager beachgoer by noon. Get one of those. If you are headed to the beach, my advice: use a UV protective phone case. I use one that looks like an astronaut suit because nothing says vacation fail like your phone shutting down from a heat tantrum. Think you've nailed your packing list? Not so fast. Here are 4 common items that are 100% banned, yes, even in checked luggage, and why they'll get flagged faster than you can say random search. High-proof alcohol. Over 140 proof. That bottle of Everclear or overproof rum? Hard no. Anything above 70% alcohol content is considered highly flammable and poses a serious safety risk mid-flight. So unless you're opening a cocktail bar at cruising altitude, please don't leave it behind or ship it properly. Bear spray or pepper spray with strong concentrations. This isn't a backcountry hike. TSA doesn't want pressurized chemical sprays in the cabin or cargo. They're considered hazardous materials, and even small leaks could create a big mess or worse. Chlorine or pool chemicals. Believe it or not, people have tried flying with spa supplies. Chlorine is a corrosive substance and can react dangerously under pressure. So unless you're secretly opening a spa on vacation, keep it out of your bag. Large lithium-ion batteries. Over 100 weight. From power banks to camera gear, anything with a lithium-ion battery over 100 watt-hours needs special approval, and most airlines just won't allow it. These batteries can overheat and are a known fire risk. Always check your gear specs before you pack, and when in doubt, carry it in your personal item if it's under the limit. Want to avoid surprises at the airport? Visit tsa.gov, tap "What can I bring?" in the top right. Look up your specific airline's rules, especially if you're flying internationally. But I have a freebie for you. Download my free 2025 Carry-On Rules cheat sheet. It includes updated airline policies, size and weight limits, and a handy packing checklist. Travel smarter, not harder. When in doubt, ask. Better to feel a little silly than set your backpack on fire. Have you ever had an item confiscated at security? Share your story below. Woo! That was a lot, but now you're up to speed and ready to fly like a pro. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Or better yet, share this video with your favorite travel buddy so they don't get caught with a rogue power bank. Want more information on other banned items by TSA? Check my video on TSA. Carry-on rules in 2025. And hey, if you love smart travel tips like this, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.